Hi, I'm Bernardita Sibaton, a participant of MMM from Bacoor, Philippines. I am here to say thank you first to the MMM, to Sergi Mabrodi, to all BOD, and of course to our coach Ma'am Sara, and also to my batchmates. In a few days we're here on our online schooling. I was so happy and excited because I learned a lot about MMM. And I met new friends from different places here in our country. Well, being a participant of MMM, maybe we can help together so we can scatter MMM not only here in the Philippines but in the whole world. Thank you again. Be the one of us. Together, we can change the world. God bless.